self-realization. Any age group, any profession, and any religion. We can use it in our daily life for better concentration, while studying to reduce stress, to manage our thoughts and emotions, and to remain calm while facing challenges. We do not need to leave our studies, any job, or just a few minutes of meditation every day. It can help us experience greater peace and inner strength. So let us few moments every day connect with our inner self and create positive thoughts. Now onwards, everyone practicing meditation. Take your hand first. संकल्प करता हूँ मैं किसी भी प्रकार के नशे से स्वयं मैं एवं सकारात्मक